Okay. Oh, hi. So this is a rainbow vacuum. See, it's operated by the water, so no need tube, no need a bag. So you save a lot. So it's something like this. So this is water. Okay, give me a second. See, it's the container. You just put water in there, something like that, until the one. Then this is very clean. It's super clean. There. Then and this one. Give up. Yeah. So I have to plug in this one. Yeah. Then see, especially the carpet, can clean everywhere. Okay, it's really super clean. See, carpet is clean, but you can see after how dirty is it. You do that every weekend. So it's the number 4. Super clean. You don't have to hire someone to do the carpet. You can do by yourself. Okay. So you see, instead of the back, avoiding the dust is spreading in the house. So it's look like the back. The dirt goes to the water. You will see after how dirty it is. Yeah, it's all purpose. You can just on and then put it on. It's gonna suck all the dust in the house. Give me a second, I show you how dirty it is. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff for this one. There's for the chair, there's this one. It's for blanket, whatever to vacuum to clean, put it inside. And now, you will see how dirty is it. And we just clean. See, that was last week, so we do it every weekend. See, I open and you will see how dirty. You think it's clean. Yeah, you think your cup is clean, but look, see, very dirty. Yeah, it's really good. I know, a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. It's really worth it to buy. Yeah, you can use as like a humidifier, something like you just turn it on and then leave it like that. It's something like this. Yeah, I'll show you. Like this. So nighttime, you can put this an oil. It's like those essential oil. You can put in that one and turn it off. You put a clean water and then you put there inside. And then laser like this. Then you can turn it off this one. You can put the lid and then you can just leave it like this. So the smell can blow from here. And See, you have to close this one, of course. You're just using the bag. Yeah, it's really good. Whoever interested, then I give you my contact and then let me know. I can demo to your home.